The Emmys were held in person last night after taking a year off to be held virtually.
Health and safety was supposed to be the top priority, but not everybody is convinced that it was. Phil Shuman pressed officials today about how this all went down. He joins us live with an update. Phil.
Well, Alex, Christine, if you watched the show last night, which took place inside that big tent on the roof of the LA Life parking garage, it seemed the rules were different for the celebrities than they are for you and I here in LA County, particularly when it came to wearing masks. Turns out they had permission.
Good to be here at the Emmy Awards. Let me start by saying there is way too many of us in this little room. What are we doing? They said this was outdoors. It's not.
Jokes from Seth Rogen, but not really. And his remarks have generated a lot of traction on the internet, on social media the day after the show, which was technically outdoors, but actually in a closed tent on top of the LA Life parking garage. One viewer tweeting, "I guess COVID and social distancing doesn't apply to Hollywood." Another, "First the Met Gala, now this. Seems that COVID-19 gives you a pass if you are wearing black tie or a designer frock." In fact, on the Emmy website, it's clear safety was a top priority, as it's been throughout the entertainment industry since the pandemic began. Everyone there, on camera or off, needed proof of vaccination and a negative COVID test within 48 hours. As for masks, still required indoors by LA County except when eating and drinking, the crew wore them, the stars, no. Why is that? LA County Public Health tells me exceptions are made for film, television, and music productions as additional safety modifications are made for those controlled interactions. Still, not everyone is satisfied. Did you have any concerns watching the setup last night?
Absolutely. When I watched, it was a super spreader event as far as I'm concerned.
What infectious disease specialist Dr. Leo Lee saw on TV was to him irresponsible. He understands why some viewers called out a perceived double standard, especially with all the hugging and kissing going on.
Right. It was not a good idea. I mean, from the infection standpoint, it was not a good thing to see.
Not a good
folks are letting down their guard. They're feeling a little more comfortable with it, but everyone has to realize we're still seeing a lot of Delta out there.
Alex and Christine, we've lost audio, but the bottom line is that County Public Health says that they were in touch with the Emmy organization and that the protocols here exceeded the minimum requirements for the film and television industry. Not everyone is going to like that, but that's their explanation. Live downtown, I'm Phil Shuman, Fox 11 News.